What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Gonna be cold starting my beater Trans Am. It's just a heads cam intake car, forged piston, 6.0 LS nitrous catch can. It's been sitting for like 3 or 4 months, so I have not started this car. I don't even know if it's gonna start. I don't even know if the battery's good. I mean, it's got power with the key, so we're about to cold start this thing, and I think it's gonna be rowdy, but we're about to find out. So Ashley, will you do me a favor and hop in the car and start it up? I got the camera right here, and yeah, we're gonna be getting my reaction on this thing. So she's about to get in and fire this thing up. Make sure it's in park so you don't drive through my house. And yeah, here we go. I'm gonna hit record on this. Boop! Recording, and let's see. I'm about to get blasted with fuel. Uh-oh. Damn, boy! That motherfucker sound good! Blah, 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 blah. Oh yeah, you can just smell it. Fire! I swear when it hits like 50 degrees, something inside of me just like, we need to do race car shit. This thing's a wreck, dude. It's been sitting for literally like 4 months. We got 50 pounds, 60 pounds of oil pressure, air fuel. I don't even know if this gauge is accurate, but let this thing warm up and see what we're working with. Shoo! What do you think? Fire, huh? Beat the sound of a cammed LS. I don't care. I don't care who you are. I don't care what else you think sounds better. Cammed LS, top tier. Maybe. Check the temp. Oh yeah, oh yeah, we still cold, boys. Yeah, so a little short video. Who doesn't like cold starts, especially on cammed LS cars? But no, I put a 2-step on a Trans Am yesterday, and I said, man, I gotta get mine out. It's been sitting over here parked, so put this here, got the Trans Am out, and honestly, this thing's for sale. You guys want to buy this? I don't need it anymore. So, God dang. So, if you want me to post a rev video or whatever, probably will another day when it's warmed up. Not just gonna sit here and screw it. Let's rev it up. Ashley, will you rev it up a little bit? Don't put it on the rev limiter. God, you hear this thing? funny when it blows up. I mean, it would be funny for a second, but my bank wouldn't think it'd be funny. But yeah, here we go. Oh man. Alright, hit the like, subscribe button, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh.